Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Help. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to delete all your Facebook posts at once. For that, you need to open Facebook and make sure to log in on your account. And now, on the upper right corner, you will see three-line icon. Tap on it and now tap on See Your Profile. Once you are on your profile page, next to dashboard, you will see three dotted horizontal line. Tap on that. This will take you to the profile settings page. Now you need to tap on activity log. Here is the activity log of Facebook that you have been made. Now tap on your activity across Facebook. Scroll down and tap on post. Here you will see various options. Tap on your post, check-ins, photos and videos. So here is the list of posts, videos, photos that you have been posted on the Facebook. Tap on all and now tap on recycle bin. Tap on move to trash. So it has been notified it may take some time to process all of your changes. So wait until the changes is been processing. So once you have done this, you can easily delete all your posts on the Facebook at once. If this video was useful for you, hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.